Welcome to the Jordan Insurance Agency, where we're dedicated to helping you navigate the complexities of health insurance, also known as Obamacare, with confidence and clarity. As you embark on your journey to find the right health insurance coverage, you likely have questions, and you're not alone. Many of our new clients come to us with similar inquiries, seeking guidance on purchasing health insurance. In this video, we'll address the most commonly asked questions about purchasing health insurance in the United States. From understanding what health insurance is, to enrollment periods, costs, coverage, and assistance options, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of health insurance together. How does the Affordable Care Act work? The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, aims to make healthcare more accessible and affordable for Americans. It does this through various measures, including expanding Medicaid, establishing health insurance marketplaces where individuals can shop for coverage, and implementing regulations such as prohibiting insurance companies from denying coverage based on pre-existing conditions. Are Affordable Care Act premiums tax-deductible? Yes, in certain cases. Premiums paid for health insurance purchased through the Affordable Care Act marketplace may be tax-deductible. However, eligibility for this deduction depends on factors such as your income and whether you're self-employed. What is the Affordable Care Act insurance? Affordable Care Act insurance refers to health insurance plans available through the marketplace established by the ACA. These plans must adhere to certain standards set by the law, including providing essential health benefits and covering pre-existing conditions. Who created the Affordable Care Act? The Affordable Care Act was signed into law by President Barack Obama in March 2010. It was the result of extensive debate and legislative efforts aimed at reforming the American healthcare system. Why is the Affordable Care Act important? The Affordable Care Act is important because it has helped millions of Americans gain access to healthcare coverage, particularly those who were previously uninsured or underinsured. It has also introduced important consumer protections, such as prohibiting discrimination based on health status and expanding coverage for preventive services. When did the Affordable Care Act start? The Affordable Care Act was signed into law on March 23, 2010, and various provisions have been implemented gradually since then. Who qualifies for the Affordable Care Act? Eligibility for the Affordable Care Act varies depending on factors such as income, household size, and immigration status. Generally, U.S. citizens and legal residents who do not have access to affordable health insurance through other means may qualify for coverage through the ACA marketplace. What does Obamacare cover? Obamacare, or the Affordable Care Act, requires health insurance plans to cover essential health benefits, including preventive services, prescription drugs, maternity care, mental health services, and more. However, specific coverage details may vary depending on the plan you choose. When is Obamacare open enrollment? Open enrollment for Obamacare typically occurs once a year, usually in the fall. During this period, individuals can sign up for health insurance coverage through the ACA marketplace or make changes to their existing coverage. Can Obamacare be used out of state? Yes, Obamacare coverage can typically be used out of state. However, the specific network of healthcare providers available to you may vary depending on your plan and the state you're in. Why is the Affordable Care Act known as Obamacare? The Affordable Care Act is often referred to as Obamacare because President Obama championed its passage and it became a key part of his presidential legacy. Additionally, opponents of the law coined the term Obamacare as a way to criticize and politicize the legislation. If your question wasn't covered here, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a call at 704-926-7565 to speak with one of our knowledgeable agents for personalized assistance. At the Jordan Insurance Agency, we're here to help you make the most informed decision about your health insurance needs. Reach out today, and let us guide you through the process with expertise and care.